You just filed a support ticket with your largest LP software vendor. You need a simple fix. You're expecting a reply. 3 days later, crickets. Or maybe you just sat through a sales demo and they spent an hour selling you on features you really don't need and you'll never use. Let's be honest, vendors can be a massive source of frustration for us. Everyone has one of those vendors. The ones with the clunky user interface, the ones that are slow to respond, or the ones that want to sell you on a module that costs more than your entire annual budget. The solution isn't to get angry. The solution is to change the way you communicate with your vendor. Today, I'm going to share with you a single powerful communication tip that will change your relationship with your vendors and help you get more done faster. Here's the secret. You got to stop talking about their features and start talking about your business problems in terms that they can understand. Most of us make the same mistake. When we need something, we ask for that specific button that does that specific thing to change that data value in a specific place. Because we know that that is what we want. But in reality, the true solution may be different, maybe simpler than that. So we need to talk in terms of our business problem and the value it's costing us. If we don't frame it in that context, the vendor doesn't understand the true value and they're going to put it on their backlog of items and it's just going to stay at the bottom of the list because they don't truly understand the why of the ask, which is the most important part when you're asking something from your vendor. So if we're asking for a report, instead of asking for a report to give me the top 10 stores of employee discount fraud, let's reframe that in terms of the value it's costing us as an organization. Start the conversation like this. We are currently losing $20,000 a month in employee discount fraud. It takes my team 40 hours every week to manually pull the data, generate the report so we can go and address the issue. We need a way to solve this inefficiency and prevent this loss as soon as possible because it's costing us $20,000 a month. When you speak in terms of dollars and cents, the language of money and efficiency, you're no longer speaking about a support ticket. You're speaking about a real business problem. And this is something the vendor and support person truly understand. You go from a person asking for a support request that the vendor's not interested in to a strategic partner helping to solve real business problems that have true business value. And the vendor will see this as an opportunity, potentially for a case study, and a way to offer value to all their other customers. So you're more likely to get this project done than if you just ask it for it in terms of the features. Now, this is just one tip, but dealing with your vendors is a full-time job in and of itself. You need a strategy for ensuring you're getting the value from all your vendors that you truly deserve. You need a place where you can access sample RFP questions, strategies for negotiating contracts, and a place to collaborate with others. A space where you can share unfiltered feedback and successful tactics you've used with your vendors. Because where else can you talk about a vendor's bad support without the fear of reprisal? Inside the LP community, we've created that space for you. Are you ready to stop being annoyed by your vendors? Click the link in the description and join the LP community today. Inside, you'll get our full vendor negotiation toolkit that comes with RFP questions. We're even getting answers to some of those RFP questions from some of the vendors. You'll get the top 10 negotiating strategies. You'll get things to look for in your case management tool. And that's just the beginning. We're building a whole library of documents and strategies to help you get more value from your vendors. We'll see you in the LP community. One last thing before you go. I'd like to ask you a favor. Can you help us spread the word? It doesn't cost you a thing, and it'll help us grow this channel and the LP community. Just hit the subscribe button below, click the thumbs up to like the video, and share this to everyone you know so we can get the word out and build a huge LP community. Thank you so much for watching and making it right to the end of this video. And we'll see you in the next one.